Hi and welcome to ByteCrypto Academy. Did you know that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have changed the way we think about money? But with all the excitement, where do you even start? The truth is, crypto offers massive opportunities, but it also comes with serious risks. In this video, I'll guide you through the right way to start with crypto and how to avoid the top 5 biggest crypto scams that could cost you everything. Stick around till the end, and I'll also share some pro tips to keep your investments safe. Let's dive in, right after this disclaimer. How to get started in crypto. Alright, let's break down exactly how to start with crypto the right way. Step 1. Educate yourself. Before investing even a single dollar, take the time to learn the basics. How does blockchain work? What makes each cryptocurrency unique? What are the risks involved? Understanding these key concepts will protect you from costly mistakes. Check out our previous videos for a deeper dive. Links in the description. Step 2. Choose a reliable crypto exchange. To buy crypto, you need a secure and trusted exchange. Think of it like a marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade. Some of the most popular ones include Coinbase, beginner-friendly; Binance, low fees and advanced features; Bybit, good for trading; Kraken, strong security. When choosing an exchange, look for low fees, strong security, and ease of use. And also for additional safety, pay attention to liquidity, how quickly you can buy or sell crypto, and make sure the platform has good customer support in case you need help. Step 3. Create an account and verify your identity. Once you've picked an exchange, you'll need to sign up and verify your identity. This usually means uploading a photo of your ID, providing proof of address. It might feel like a hassle, but it's an important step to protect your account from fraud. Step 4. Start small. Crypto is highly volatile. Prices can skyrocket or crash in minutes. That's why, start with a small amount. Only invest what you can afford to lose. And use dollar-cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly instead of all at once. This strategy reduces the risk of buying at the wrong time. Step 5. Storing your crypto safely. Once you buy crypto, don't leave it on an exchange. You need a wallet to store it securely. There are 2 types of crypto wallets: hot and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, making them convenient for frequent transactions, but they're less secure. Examples include Trust Wallet and MetaMask. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline devices like Ledger or Trezor. They're much more secure and are ideal for storing large amounts of crypto for long term. If you're using a cold wallet, it's important to store your recovery phrase in a safe place, perhaps in a safe deposit box or with a trusted person. This phrase is your key to recovering your crypto in case your wallet is lost or damaged. No matter which wallet you choose, remember this: never share your private keys. If someone gets access, they can steal all your crypto. Now that you're on the right path to getting started with crypto, let's make sure you stay safe by avoiding the top 5 biggest scams. Before we dive into that, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to ByteCrypto Academy for more in-depth crypto tips and guides. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update on crypto safety and investment strategies. Now, let's jump right into the top 5 crypto scams you need to watch out for. Top 5 crypto scams to avoid. 1. Rug pulls, too good to be true projects. A rug pull happens when a crypto project suddenly disappears, taking all investors' money with it. Example: in 2021, the Squid Game token skyrocketed, but the developers vanished with millions. How to avoid it? Always research the team. If they're anonymous, be cautious. Check if the code is audited and open source. Avoid tokens with extreme hype but no real use case. 2. Phishing scams, fake websites and wallets. Scammers create fake exchange websites or wallet apps that look identical to real ones. Example: a fake MetaMask login page tricked users into entering their private keys, giving scammers full control of their crypto. How to avoid it? Always double-check URLs before logging in. Never share your private keys or seed phrase. Use official apps from trusted sources. Always prioritize downloading apps from Google Play Store for Android and the Apple App Store for iOS. 3. Pump and dump schemes, manipulated prices. Scammers artificially inflate a token's price through fake hype, then sell everything, leaving investors with worthless coins. Example: many meme coins get pumped on social media, then crash overnight. How to avoid it? Avoid investing in coins just because they're trending. Be cautious of get-rich-quick promises. Stick to projects with strong fundamentals. 4. Giveaway scams. Send 1 Bitcoin and get 2 Bitcoin back. Scammers impersonate famous people, like Elon Musk, and claim they're giving away free crypto. Example: thousands fell for fake social media accounts saying, "Send me 1 BTC, and I'll send you 2 BTC back." But the victims never got anything. How to avoid it? Remember, no one gives away free money. Always verify official social media accounts. Report and block suspicious accounts. 5. Fake crypto investments and Ponzi schemes. Scammers promise guaranteed high returns if you invest in their exclusive crypto program. But in reality, they're just using new investors' money to pay older ones. Example: the BitConnect Ponzi scheme stole over $2 billion from investors before collapsing. How to avoid it? If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Avoid platforms promising high returns with no risk. Stick to trusted investment strategies. Crypto is volatile, and no returns are guaranteed. Now that you know what to watch out for, it's time to think about your long-term success in the crypto world. Here are a few pro tips to help you stay on track and maximize your success in the volatile world of crypto. Tips for long-term success. 1. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money into one cryptocurrency. Spread your investments across a few different projects to reduce risk. 2. Stay updated. Crypto markets are constantly evolving, so staying on top of the latest news and trends is key. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make in the long run. To stay updated, follow crypto news sources like CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and influential persons' social media accounts for real-time insights. 3. Avoid FOMO. Fear of missing out can cloud your judgment and lead to impulsive decisions. Stick to your strategy and don't chase after quick profits. 4. Reinvest profits. If your investments do well, consider reinvesting some of your gains to grow your portfolio over time. It's all about compounding your wealth for long-term success. Bonus tip: mistakes to avoid. One common mistake is trying to time the market. Remember, investing in crypto is about long-term growth, not trying to buy low and sell high in the short term. And that's it. You now have the basics to start your crypto journey. Remember, everyone starts as a beginner, so take your time, keep learning, and most importantly, stay safe. Crypto is a marathon, not a sprint. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Let me know in the comments, what's your biggest crypto goal for the long run? See you in the next one.